going on, guys? Jay that drain guy. We're in a condo building today. We got to look at a laundry drain inside the suite. I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, we're actually in the unit now. You guys can see all the garbage down there. We gotta try to snake that. We're gonna see if we can get a shot back up here, but we're gonna try snaking it first. That's actually new. Somebody dropped the wire. Awesome. Anyway. Good? Yeah.
I like to go from
Yeah!
evidence.
Yes!
But I started putting all my jobs on YouTube.
Nice.
Every year you ask the wife asks you, what do you want for Christmas? Right? What do you go for? Give me something I don't have.
Exactly. Or something you would never buy and you're like, you know?
That's it, exactly.
That's what I do. Something that I want, but I'll never go out and actually buy.
Yes. You have somebody that can come and give this a little clean?
I mean, I send my cleaners back through.
Perfect. Okay.
That's awesome. Thank you, sir. Fuck, you saved me from cutting a hole.
I know. Well, there was one building we were dealing with down, what was it? Lakeshore and Park Lawn. Was that you guys? Your building there?
No.
So anyway, it's same thing. All the units. These two fucking high rises. All the units. The guy spent almost a month there, and it's like just snaking them all out. It's like, fuck. Half the ones couldn't even get through. They had to open up the ceilings downstairs.
Take the trap off, put it in.
What a
disaster.
yeah. It's good for us, I guess. We get paid, but it's like when you deal with the same old shit, and it's like you try and you try for like an hour, 2 hours on one drain. It's not even budging. It's like, how long do I stay here dealing with this? I know what's in it, and it's like.
Well, I agree, man. Like, you think they would have learned after the first few floors, right? Maybe put a little bag and then the tile guy goes.
Well, that's it. But even the tile guys should like, they should be.
I fucking backtracked the tile guy.
Yeah, it's like.
Send us the bill. Be like, here you go, guys.
It's their shit, right? It's not like but then you look at, I went to one place and shower drink. So it's okay, the guy goes in, takes a shower, it's not drinking. Hasn't drank 2 days. I go in there, first thing I do is stick my screwdriver down through the plate. They didn't cut the membrane. And it's like, is this something you're supposed to check before releasing the unit? You know, to me, I don't care, right?
Before I hand over the unit, check all the appliances, you know, do my walk, all that shit.
Alright guys, this has been Jay That Drain Guy. You can see everything finished. We got everything running good. It's been Jay That Drain Guy, like I said, Strawberry.